decided. I've moved my toilet roll holder from there, and I'm going to put the table at the back of there, and hoping that there's still going to be enough room. So I don't know. I don't think I can set you down. I'll have a look. Well, I don't know. I don't know. What do you say? I think he wants straightening up to there. Gap in that corner. For some reason that wall isn't upright. And yet the panels went in square. I think I'm going to put it there. Make up some blocks. I got another one of those catches there. I'll show you what I had to do there. When you don't park on a slope and you lift the loo lid up, alright, and you're on a slope, it'd fall down on your back. Or if you stood up and you got both seats up, it'd trap your willy underneath the bloody lid. So I put that in there and put that in. So when the lid's up, no longer falls on your back. You can never guarantee to be parked on the level. Ideally it wanted an extra couple of inches at the back of the toilet, but I didn't want to spare that room. There. That'll explain that, I hope. I'm going to put another one of those up there, as though it'll hold the table in place. Possibly one on this wall. There, it'll be like that. It'll have a gap at the bottom. I'll put a slot or something. Just hope it doesn't touch that, because if the vibration moves that, I'll have to open it first. Right, it's open now. If it touches that, oh, flushes the loo. So I don't think it's going to rattle on there. I'll tell you what, I'll raise it above there. I'll put it on a couple of stands. Catch you in a minute. Alright, I've put a catch there, put a table catch there, a little block there, and oh hello, and I've put another one up there, right, and I'll show you now how the table goes away. Hold on. Right, the table's caught on those two, one there, and a proper table thing there, and then come up, oh, zoom out, up there, and it's clipped there, and that is not going to rattle. It wants it clean, it's not going to rattle. That's not, dumb muck, don't know, it might rattle, but I got the deck chairs to go in there as well yet, and looking at it, if I get taken short I can still get in there. Just need somewhere to put my gas bottle. I usually lay that down on the floor and I put the deck chairs on top. So now what do I do? Where do I put the toilet roll holder? I don't want to put it low because of the having the shower on. I don't know, because when the shower's up, it's up there. I usually do sit down to shower, but I sit down to crap and all. If I put it all the way up there, I can't reach. I don't know. I think it'll be one of those things. I mean that is where it's supposed to go, right? And that's waterproof ish. And there's a drain hole in the bottom. So either that, or I take the bog roll out every time I want to shower or use the bathroom. So I don't know. That's another problem for another day. Piddling down the rain outside. Cured my lights. Took the bloody bulbs out. So the switch I put on the side of the unit down there, I've had to leave it turned on the door because I discovered that it also operates the dashboard light, telling me that there's a door ajar, and plus that the alarm wouldn't activate. It kept blowing the horn every time I locked the door, as it blew the horn saying the door was open. So never mind. Got my LEDs in. Got the switch up there. Oh, it's dark in there then. But anyway, that's it's the brightest room in the house. The lid still opens. There's still loads of room there. Yep. That'll do me. It's not rubbing on there. If it does, I'll just put a bit of rubber behind it. I got some sticky back rubber. Yeah, stops the curtain closing. As you're driving along, another one up there. There we go. All done. I can put my tools away now. Hello, Granny. Yeah, I moved, because I had to take all this side off, I moved my soap rack and flannel rack and dishcloth from up there. That's where it was, just down to above there. It's not going to get burnt or anything by the back. I never use the back. I always use the two front ones. So, right, okay, catch you again. Keep subscribe for the updates, and I'll get them out to you as soon as I can. Bye.